First order of business, I'm going to show off our little setup here. We just kind of pile everything on the four-wheeler with some straps and a little wagon. And that little wagon, I pulled that thing through all this crap and it's held up pretty good. It was bouncing around, wasn't it? And there's Tyler's little four-wheeler. Alright, now we gotta catch bait. What's up, everybody? Tim here. It's been a while since I made a video, especially one when I'm out fishing. Well, me and my son decided to go fishing. Pretty breezy tonight. Humidity's not too bad, but the breeze going is bearable. But we just got set up. He went back to the house on his four-wheeler real quick because we forgot the net. Of all things, we forgot the net. But anyway, I'm only making this video because I bought a new action camera, and I bought the DJI OSMO Action. Seems to be a pretty cool camera. I'm actually using the little face screen on it right now where I can actually see myself and keep myself in frame. And I hooked it to my lawnmower earlier when I was mowing back here because my lawnmower is pretty bouncy, and it's got a mode on here called Rock Steady. I videoed some mowing with the Rock Steady off, and then I put the Rock Steady on, and it's like night and day difference on the stability of the image. I mean, with it off, it was just bouncy around everywhere. It's kind of crazy. But anyway, I got a couple of bites going on these fishing poles. I guess if we catch anything fun, I'll record it and let y'all know what I think about this little camera. But so far, I'm liking it. It's got some weight to it for a little action camera, but pretty easy to use once you figure out how to get to everything on it. I'm still trying to memorize where everything's at in it, but so far I like it. And I got 3 batteries with it, so it's not hard to change out the batteries, so I can keep rolling. Of course, I didn't bring none of the batteries back here with me like a dumbass, but hey, whatever, I'm learning, right? And we'll see how the audio is. Hopefully the audio is alright, because it's got this little shell it goes into to put it in a mount. I don't know if that affects the audio or not, so we'll find out. Alright, let me get back to fishing. You need me to get on? Yeah, let me know. Just keep it tight. Put leverage on. Push that other piece, put it in your side right there. Keep going. Bring it up and we'll take over.
Man, it's hard to hold it like this.
Come on. Man, come on, it's all fish jumping. That's the garter. This is most definitely a big garter.
It pulls back inside.
You gotta tire them out, man. That's all there is to it. You good? Right here. Real. Here. Yeah, turn it in. Pull back on it a little bit. Didn't realize it was that close to you. Where's he at?
I can't even pull him. I can't feel.
Yeah, he's right down here somewhere. Lift up. Just kind of lift up on the pole. Keep coming. You almost got him. Easy. There he is. Oh, he's a big one. Oh, look at that jump. Did you see that jump? That was awesome. Hang on. Easy.
I can't go.
Easy.
I think he might be stuck.
We're here. Want me to trade you?
Yeah, I feel him. He's on the boards.
Here. Hold that. Alright, I need to see where the line is. Get a little pipe in the water so I can see the line.
There he is. Want me to get the net?
I don't think he's a knitter. I think he's going to be a... He's got power to it. Pull it down. Watch your aim in the camera so you keep him in the camera.
I don't even know. I don't even see it.
It's right here. It's probably going here on me.
How do I turn it back on? Do I turn it back on?
No, it's on. Yeah, look at that. That's about the same size as that last one we caught, huh?
Yeah.
Look at him, Bandit.
Maybe.
Look at him, Bandit.
Maybe thicker. He's like, oh my god.
That's a big boy.
Oh god, he has a lot of power to him.
Yeah,
He's
still
not
got a lot of
done.
power. He's got some strength in him. Still.
Want me to take over again?
I'm just holding him right here.
Yeah, you keep him right there and keep him
wear himself out a little bit.
wearing himself out.
I don't want him to go under the pier. So turn his head.
You're better at pulling him out from the pier. As long as we just keep him right here. I pretty much just got him. That was one tough fighter.
Yeah, he's a pretty good sized guy.
I didn't even feel him come this way. I felt him come this way for like a second, and he was already over here.
Look.
By the time you said that.
Here, we'll turn that off. Give me a thumbs up, Tyler.